Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will learn how to pronounce the word crawled. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The baby crawled across the room towards its favorite toy. The word crawled refers to the action of moving forward on hands and knees, typically at a slow or laborious pace, as seen in the sentence provided. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.